guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to be sharing our relaxing family nighttime routine, and I'm going to start out by making Taylor and I some dinner. We had fixed spaghetti earlier this night and we hadn't got around to eating yet, so I'm just going to heat it up real quick, and then I'm also going to have breadsticks and cottage cheese to go with it. So I'm just going to make our plates and then we will sit down and have dinner together. And I will say that Brooks already ate a little bit earlier. He likes to eat dinner pretty early, so he had already eaten at this point. And if you guys are new to my channel, my parents are actually living with us at the moment while their house is getting built. So he was upstairs with them while me and Taylor had dinner together. So it was kind of nice just to relax and get to talk and catch up from the week. This night was actually a Sunday night, so it was nice to kind of just refresh before the week began. Now it's time to clean up the kitchen, and no matter what our routine is, after dinner I always do a quick tidy up of the kitchen and the house. That way I can go to bed knowing that the house isn't a wreck whenever I wake up. So I'm just putting away our plates. I made it real simple on myself tonight and just had disposable plates. And I'm also going to put away the leftovers for the next night. I'm also going to wash some dishes by hand, that way they are done and out of the way. There honestly wasn't that much, so sometimes this is just easier than sticking them in the dishwasher. So I'm going to be using my Method dish soap in the grapefruit scent. It smells so good, and I do get all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. If you guys have never heard of it, it's a website that you can order all of your cleaning products from, and they are a more natural based ingredient company. So they have all kinds of brands like Mrs. Meyer's, Method, 7th Generation, things like that. So if you guys ever want to check out Grove Collaborative, I always have my link in the description box down below, and I always have a code for a free 5-piece set with your first order. Now I'm going to wipe the countertops down with the Method Daily Countertop Spray for granite, and this is in the Apple Orchard scent, and it smells so good. I love this scent all year round. It smells very fresh and fruity, so I love this stuff. I do get it from Grove, and I'm using a microfiber cloth to wipe them down as well. Another thing I like to do in the evenings is make sure the trash doesn't need to be taken out, and if it does, I go ahead and do so. That way I'm not waking up and having to do it in the morning. Now it's time to give little man a bath, so I just grabbed his pajamas and pull up, and I'm getting all of his stuff ready, getting his water ready, and he loves bath time, so he was really excited for this. After he's out of the bath, I go ahead and brush his teeth, and Mr. Independent loves to do it on his own, put the toothpaste on his toothbrush and brush them, but I always make sure to brush them real good at the end, and I always sing his ABCs with them, and I feel like that's a good way to get them to learn, is just to sing them while you're doing all the things. So now I'm just getting his pajamas on, and then we will head into the office and see everybody and kind of just hang out and play for a little bit. And there's my dad. He had to get a little wave in, which cracks me up, but Brooks loves playing basketball and pretending that he's actually playing in a game. It's pretty cute. So anyways, he burned some energy off before we headed to his room, and from there we read his bedtime story and said his prayers, and then he was off to bed. So pretty relaxing night. And if you guys want to see how we redid his room to make it a big boy room, I will have that video linked down below. But Taylor did make this headboard, and I love how it turned out. I also wanted to show you guys our new mattress that we recently got from Lowell. I am so excited about this. We've wanted a king-size mattress ever since we went on vacation last summer and slept on one, and you guys, this Lowell mattress did not disappoint. It came right to my door. I was able to bring it in, get it into my room, and set it up all by myself. So it was very convenient and easy to do. Taylor was at work while I did all of this, so he came home to a brand new bed, and we both love it so much. It is so comfortable, and it's the perfect mixture of comfort and support. It's not too soft and not too hard. It is just right, and we are sleeping so good on it. Really wish I would have had a box blade to cut this plastic off, because I feel like it wouldn't have taken very much time if I would have had one instead of my scissors, but it got the job done nonetheless. However, I do think it would have been even easier if I would have just been able to cut it right down the middle, and bam, the mattress is out. And I don't know why, but it is so satisfying watching the mattress expand. I could watch this all day long. And I was so impressed with how quickly it expanded as well. It was like, boom, it was there, and it's awesome. I didn't have to wait long at all for it to be completely ready to go, and I just had to finish cutting the plastic off. But like I said, get a box blade and cut it open. It'll make your life so much easier. And I don't know about you guys, but Taylor is a really hot sleeper, so I was a little bit worried on how the comfort level of heat would be for him. And luckily, Lowell has a cooling gel infused layer in their mattresses, so you are guaranteed not to get too hot, and this really does work because Taylor hasn't complained with being hot, and he hasn't been sweating as bad throughout the night. So that's a great feature on the Lowell mattress, and it really is a high quality mattress in a box. So if you all want to get yourself a mattress and upgrade from your previous one, I would highly recommend Lowell, and they do offer free shipping, which is amazing, and the shipping is so quick. 100-night trial, so you can try it out, and if you don't like it, you can send it back, no problem, no questions asked, which is amazing because it takes a while to really see if you even love the mattress or not. They have free returns, so you don't have to pay for it at all. And I also wanted to mention that I do have a code where you guys can get $150 off, and I will have it linked in my description box if you guys would like to try it out. We love our Lowell mattress, and I know you guys will too. So thank you so much to Lowell for sponsoring today's video. As you can see, the first time I laid on it, I knew I was hooked. So here it is. Now that all of the sheets are put on, it's so cozy. I've got my pajamas laid out, and I'm gonna go ahead and unwind for the night. I'm gonna show you guys my skincare routine as well as my just normal maintenance type stuff. So I'm gonna start out by putting my hair back in a headband, and I'm also going to take off my fake lashes. So I've been using my MAC Lashbox lashes for a while now, and I love them so much. You get about 30 uses out of them, if not more, depending on how you take care of them, and they are just magnetic lashes that you can get in a subscription box or a one-time purchase. So I will have my code linked there if you guys want to get yourself some. But now I'm going to take my makeup eraser wipe and just wipe down my face with some hot water, and then I'm going to use some micellar water to just make sure I get everything off of there. And then I'm using my Monet Be Balanced face cleanser to just clear off my face and get all of the makeup off of there. This is one of my favorite things to do throughout the day. I love looking forward to just washing my face and relaxing for the night. Then I'm going to brush my teeth with a 2-step toothpaste from Crest. The first one is like a deep cleanser, and then the second one is a whitening gel. And I do use my Sonicare toothbrush, and I'll have it linked down below. Now I'm going to just brush out my hair with my wet brush, and I'm going to take a shower, but some nights I don't wash my hair. So if I don't wash it, I just put it up in a bun and then put a shower cap on and call it good. And then I'm going to hop in the shower and rinse off real quick. Now it's time for the rest of my skincare routine. I'm just using a Tula resurfacing gel as well as my Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer and some Tanology tan drops that make my face dark. And then I always love this Neutrogena Hydro Boost lotion, so it's been my favorite go-to lately. And then the last thing I like to do is to take out my contacts, put my glasses on, and then I always use a lip mask. This one is my absolute favorite. And then we're just gonna wind down for the night. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one.